Hey everybody, thanks for checking back. A little bit of a setback. Haven't gotten a whole lot done this week. I kind of had to stop on this. Had cataract surgery, so I didn't want to be out here with this stuff flinging around. So I'm kind of laying low. Not that cataract surgery's hard. Actually, it's pretty wild. Boy, you're in and out of there. I showed up at 11. I think I was out of there at 12:15 or something like that. Got to have somebody drive you, but just did one eye, one at a time. And that was yesterday. This is the next day. Boy, what a difference. Lounging around the shop, but I do think I'll do some cleaning up because I could certainly use it. That bench is a real mess. And like usual, all my other benches are a real mess. So I could spend some time tinkering around. Yeah, I could spend a lot of time tinkering around. And sometimes you just got to realize you got to take time to take care of your daily drivers, which I haven't done. Oil looks like mud. I'm bad. I've been neglecting it. So that's a little better. A little light on the subject. Yeah, I've neglected it. It's way past due. Oil looks like mud. That's not good. Looks like that oil filter been weeping. I didn't see any spots in the driveway, but then I always park it in the gravel. This is interesting. See these? Let's see, where's the light? These cushions are pounded out. That's surprising. Of course, the original shocks. I better pay this thing some attention. It's been really good to me, but I haven't been nice to it. I'm just going to let this drip and drip and drip and drip and drip. That makes up for lost time, right? Man, that's nasty. It wasn't very tight. That's my bad. I guess it could be worse. It's not horrible, but it ain't good either. I did not know this, but looking in here at the brakes, these still have, a little bent piece of metal that scrapes on the rotor, makes crazy noise. It's still, I can see it. It's still good. Well, that's one smart thing GM left. Is that little sound, that little sounder piece of tab thing, whatever you want to call it. Get at least get some of the goop off of here. So at least if I have a fresh leak, I can tell. I've always put this Mobil 1 in this truck since I got it, because that's what the last owner put in it. So, might as well stay true to form, I guess. Why change now? Am I gonna make it? Yep. There we go. Most stuff isn't exactly crystal clear, like old Quaker State. How much oil does this thing take? I don't know. The old Vortex said this is an 01. I'm sure it takes this jug. I think it takes 6 quarts, if I remember right. It's 5. Yeah, 5 quarts. We'll soon know. Yep. Good luck. Figure, yeah, we're going on a road trip here later in the week. It's our 50th anniversary. Crazy. So we don't go crazy for celebrating. We just take a little bit of time for ourselves, go hang out. That's about it. $50, boy, that doesn't even seem possible. Seems like that wasn't that long ago. I was just a young punk getting in trouble. Now I'm an old punk getting in trouble. Yep, take 6. Okay, like most things, maintenance, got to keep up on it. Keeps me away from doing the fun stuff. But this window motor crapped out yesterday. Wouldn't go up and down, wouldn't operate. Of course, today when I get into it, it still won't work. So, step 1 is the tape. Luckily, it's stuck up. Stuck up? Yeah, I said it. Is to run some tape on the window. Keep it where it goes, so it doesn't fall down. Like that. Then we got to pull all. There's little plastic stuff to pull up. All right, this comes off. This comes off here. That comes off there. This comes off here. Oh, I'm sitting on. I'm wondering what's going on. The seat's moving. I'm sitting on the controls. There we go. That comes off there like that. There it goes. That comes off there like that. Now, this comes off. These are pretty straightforward. There it comes. Yep, that's how these Tupperware vehicles work. Then I got a screw there to take off that I think is 7mm. Yep. It's like watching paint dry, huh? That's a long one. Now there's another one where? Down there. Let's get smart here. Anyway, smart. At least faster. That's a short one. Now what else? I get that out of there, that out of there. Oh, that. That just pops off, I think. Wow, that came off easy. Just like that. That should come off with the door. Is that another one there? Looks like another one there. Another long one. I think that's it. Pretty simple. Now, well, that's a speaker. There we go. There. And I can pull this latch here, pull the rod off of there, I think. There it goes. And the rod's off. Pull that off of there. That comes off like that. Bing, bang, boom. Wow, this stuff's sticky. This has to go back on, clearly, keep the rain from getting in. All right, I think that's as far as I gotta go. Now, the window's held on by 2 clamps. I got it taped up here. That one. That one. Unplug the power to the motor here. This motor's been going out for a long time. Been going real slow. Now I think there's 1, 2, 3. 4, 5, and 6. That's it. This is unhooked. Now these rails hook on these little, right there's a little spot where this catches on. Get that cluster out of there. There it is. The new one even give you new bolts. Don't really know why. They changed these out. The bottom ones are studs. Put her back together. This is one of those things I've been putting off because I just don't want to tear the door apart. I don't want to do it. But then when you get around to doing it, you realize, oh wow, I should have done that a long time ago. That was really easy. That was stupid easy. Okay, now this has got a little clip on here again. Somewhere. I don't know where it is. There's the bolt. Oh, there. I just didn't see it. It's there. There it is. I'm gonna get the stud come to the bottom. Hopefully, is it gonna fit? Hey, look at that. It fits. Like that. Says you're pretty easy, which so far it is. Boom, like that. Plug this in. Yep, that plugged right in. Now I got to put the switch back on so I can operate the window. Does it work? And these are the little clamps here. I don't know if you can see those or not. That might be a better angle. That little clamp right there. Loosen those up. Where's the other one? There it is. Clamps onto the door somewhere. Oh, I see, there's the glass. Go around the glass. Yep. All the way up. Yep. Snug those down. And it should work, right? In theory. Let's see. Tape's holding it. Okay. Moment of truth. Cool. Now I gotta do is put it all back together. And there it is. It's working. Oh, key's off. But now I gotta do is figure out how to get this bulb out of here. The strangest things to have problems with. Oh well. Not very exciting stuff this video, but life goes on. You gotta do what you gotta do. So you might as well put it on YouTube so everybody can see it being stupid. Thanks for watching, everybody. Take care. Hopefully the next one will be more exciting. Seriously? Maybe I just get another bulb and leave that one in there.